we have found a tool that can help you make money easily by creating images. You do not need an expensive camera to do this, and you can do this in less than a minute. Want to learn more? Then you should watch this video. This tool will make images for you automatically. All you have to do is click some buttons to set it up, and you are on your way to earning tons and tons of money. Just let this tool make money for you, and you can relax on your bed, on your sofa, and even on the beach. This method that we will be showing you is 100% free. No need to pay for software or make an investment. You can start right away. This is available worldwide. You can do this even if you are from Japan, China, Dubai, or the US. And most of all, this method does not need any prior experience. You don't need to be a professional designer to do this method. Even beginners can do this. Watch till the end of the video to learn the step-by-step process of how you can earn money just by creating images. So what are you waiting for? Let's start earning. Before we begin, make sure to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell down below to never miss new videos and opportunities to make money online. The website that we will be using today to earn money is Zazzle.com. Zazzle is an online marketplace with millions of made-to-order customizable products. These customizable products can be t-shirts, magnets, binders, and more. On this website, you can design your own product. And that is what we're going to do today. We will design our own product and sell it on this website. Zazzle is a 15-year-old website with an easy design tool that caters to everyone. They have 550 brand partners such as Disney and Getty Images and have delighted 30 million customers worldwide. This is the perfect platform to earn money. Once you are on the website, you can access the search bar found here. Let us say we want to search for postcards. Type it in and hit enter. We can see a bunch of results for postcards. As you can see here, there are different categories for postcards, and we can see how much people sell them for. We can see that this person sells this type of postcard, and if we scroll down, we can see tons of people selling different types of postcards on this website. So what are we going to do here today is make our own postcards. We will create our own postcards using Zazzle's own design tool, and we will upload them on this website and let Zazzle sell them for us. We don't have to do anything. We just have to design one postcard and watch as Zazzle sells it for us. Watch this video till the end to learn how to do this. As we can see here, postcards on this website sell for at least $1. You can see that this person sells this postcard for $1.20. We can also see here that this person sells this postcard for a lower price of $1.10. So we can get at least $1 for our own postcard. If you think that $1 is not enough, then let us calculate our estimated earnings. For example, we sell our own postcards for $1.20. Usually we can sell at least 50 postcards per day. That will be $60 per day. And if we sell 50 postcards per day for a month, we can earn $1,800 monthly. You can earn this amount of money for free just by designing and selling postcards. This is a great opportunity for you to build up your passive income. And if you only have a mobile phone, you can still do this. If you have an Android phone, you can just search Zazzle on Google Play Store, and it should look like this. Make sure that you download the right application, which is this one, and you can start earning on your phone. It is also available on iOS. You just need to search Zazzle on the Apple App Store, and it should look like this. Now, that is out of the way. We can then show you how you can design your own postcard using Zazzle's design tool. So don't stop watching this video to learn more. Before we continue, if you are enjoying this video, make sure to like and share your thoughts and any questions about the video in the comment section down below. Now, before we can use Zazzle's built-in design tool on their website, we first need to create an account. To do that, we go back to the main page of the website, and at the upper part of the website, we can see a button to register. We just click on this and you can start creating your own account. You just need to put your email address and password to create an account. Simple, right? If you don't want to do that, you can also use your Facebook account or your Apple account to sign in to Zazzle. Once you finish putting in the necessary information, you can then click on the blue button, create new account, and just like that, you now have an account. All you have to do next is to verify your account using your email and you're good to go. Once you verify and log into your account, you can now see your dashboard. On the dashboard, you can see every option regarding your profile. You can see your earnings, payments, referrals, and many more. Just explore on this dashboard to know more. So now to create your own postcard, what we need to do is go back to the main page, and at the left part of the website, we can see different options, and you will click Create option. We just click on this and we can see tons of stuff that we can create. We can click on Learn about our templates and design tool option on the top, and it will redirect you to this page. Once you are on this page, you can then click on Start Creating, and you are now on Zazzle's design tool. We can see here that there are a lot of templates for different products. We can design a lot of products such as clothing, shoes, stationery, toys, and many more. In the invitations and stationery section, we can find a template for postcards. We can just choose this, and we can see that the design tool already puts up guidelines so that we know where to put our design for our postcards. So to start designing, we can go to the Elements tab and choose any design that we want. For example, we choose this butterfly illustration and we put it on our postcard. We can resize it and put it wherever we want. We can also add text to our postcard. Click on the Text tab and we can see a bunch of text that we can put on our postcard. And if you don't like the text shown here, you can add your own text. Just click on Add Text, put the words that you want to put on your postcard, and click OK. For example, we choose any pre-made text here. We just click on the desired text and it will automatically be placed on the postcard. We can resize it and put it wherever we want. You can also edit the text just by double-clicking it. Once you do that, the text box will appear and you can start editing. If you look at the lower left section, you can see a preview of the postcard that you are designing. This will show you the final output of the postcard, and this is what you will be selling to people. So use this as a guide to help you create beautiful and eye-catching postcards. You can put more elements on your postcard. Just explore the tabs on the left part of the tool and make your postcard one of a kind. If you don't have time to create your own postcard, or if you are feeling lazy, what you can do is click on the Template tab on the left part of the tool. Here we can see tons of pre-made postcards that you can use right away. Just click on the View All button, and you can now see and choose any ready-made postcard template that you want to use. For example, we pick this one. Once we click it, it will automatically be placed on the postcard and you can now sell it. You can also edit the ready-made postcards and add more details. Another thing that you can do in Zazzle is refer people. To do this, we just scroll down the main page and we can see a Refer a Friend option. We just click on this and we will be redirected to this page. You can then share your custom link with your friends and family members and they will get a $25 coupon. Then they can use this coupon to buy your postcards. Since postcards sell for at least $1, they can buy 20 to 30 postcards. Send this to the people who will avail of your postcards each day, and that's an easy way to earn money. Now we have shown you how to make money free just by designing postcards. This is super simple to do and it won't take much of your time. So what are you waiting for? Start today and earn lots and lots of money. And that is how we can make money today. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on the notifications to stay updated about the latest ways to earn money online. Leave a comment for any questions and see you in the next video.